Today, I will introduce a super powerful Subtitle Factory tool. You just need to drag the video in, and then it can automatically recognize and translate, and then export all the videos with one click. It's all automated. It has very powerful functions. Now I have 20 Musk videos. I use my tool to recognize speech and translation. We can see the timestamp of these recognition, and the translated text is very accurate. It can even automatically generate a title for you. Then you can choose the one you think is the best. Then we can export all the videos. You can export videos with slightly recorded subtitles. Open the folder and find that all the videos have been exported, including the subtitles.
Yeah, that's why I started programming computers. There was like a video game set pre-Atari that had like 4 preset games. It was basically just blocks, you know. You could try to rearrange the humans, but you're still 1/4 of the...
We can choose to export the subtitles, which are in the target language. In this way, it can export videos with only Chinese subtitles. Okay, the export is done. You can open the folder to see how the export is going.
Yeah, that's why I started programming computers.
The subtitles are slightly recorded in the video, and the subtitles will never overflow. We also exported the AS subtitles.